Hello everyone, my name is Khushi Vash. So today we will start our 6th standard NCERT syllabus. So this is the preface of 6th standard NCERT. Our past one we are going to understand the syllabus and content of it. So this is the Constitution of India. It is given in preamble, as everyone know. So you can read out that why study history and all, why this book is useful for all exams and all. So yeah, this is the content. We will understand why study history first, and there were 11 chapters. First one is the what, where, how and when. In this chapter basically we will study ki what is history, what, where, how and when. How means how the Asian people used to live, when it, that is the basically the years, that is the tenures comes under it. Where means basically at what place they basically to live there, this comes under the it. So basically we will understand the ancient Indian history by knowing and try to answer out the question, that is what, where, how and when. This is the first chapter, and second chapter is from hunting, gathering to growing food. In this we come to know about how ancient people started to hunting and then going on hunting, gathering. Gathering is basically collection of foods. They gather food from hunting, gathering to how they convert themselves as a growing food, that is development of agriculture and all. This all are comes under this. Next chapter is in the earliest cities. In the earliest cities, we will basically understand and learn about the Indus Valley civilization. These were the Asians' earliest cities. So we come to know about that in third chapter. The fourth chapter is what books and burials tell us. This basically deals with how the burial process practices in the Indus Valley civilization in ancient era. Basically, the ancient time, how the burials procedures and cremations they usually do. Kingdoms, kings, and an early republic. In fifth chapter, we will understand and look upon the kingdoms. What are the Mahajanpads came, Janpad, Mahajanpad, and then the Mauryas, and all the sequences of kingdoms we will understand along with their kings in fifth chapter. In sixth chapter, new questions and ideas we will look on it. Seventh is Ashoka, the emperor who gave up a word. This will basically understand the Ashokan empire. The eighth chapter is the vital village thriving towns. This is basically about the village pattern, how they usually live, about towns and plannings and all comes under it. The ninth chapter basically deals with the traders, kings, and pilgrimage. This basically deals with how many travelers came, how many the traders came, and at what stage, what level they were doing the trade and all. The kings usually, and about the pilgrims also. 10th chapter is the new empires and kingdom, and new empires and kingdom, and 12th one is the building, paintings and book. In that we will discuss about the reference of it, like what books usually written down in ancient era, what type of the structures of the buildings, the paintings how they made. This all comes under this chapter. So this is basically the breakout of the preface of the 6th standard NCERT. In further classes, we will understand one by one chapter in detail. I hope you all got my point, and yeah, that's it about the preface and summary of the contents. So thank you so much for watching this video. Hope to see you all in next video, next class. Thank you everyone.